Living life with a plus is positive. It's active. It's giving back. It's looking forward. It's a celebration of where you've been and where you're going. Hi, I'm David North. We all know life is good, but it can be so much better when we live it with a plus.
An estate plan today is not just focusing on death. It also focuses on life. So when we meet with clients, we're talking to them a lot about, in the event you get sick, how are your affairs going to be handled? How is your healthcare decisions going to be made? Who's going to be in charge of your assets to pay for your care? Who's going to talk to the insurance company when they deny claims? How is your life going to be preserved so that we can maintain the most independent, most dignity and control for you? That's where our estate plans start, and then evolves to, okay, on death, this is what we want everybody to get. Everybody has an estate plan by default law in New York and each state. And so the question is, do you like the estate plan and do you know what it is? Most of the laws that are automatic do not address asset protection issues. They do not address reducing legal fee issues. They don't address minimizing tax issues. They don't address issues dealing with beneficiaries and the way the beneficiary inherits assets. So I think the answer is everybody needs to have an estate plan now, and everybody should know what the automatic estate plan is. Depending on the complexity of the estate and the tax issues, you may have to pick an independent, non-subordinate person, meaning somebody that has no relationship to the family. Sometimes persons with relationship to the family can have adverse tax impact on an estate plan. So that's one thing to consider. Typically, when I sit with a client, we sit and we talk about who do we trust, and we try to keep it in the family. Because do you really want an outside person making discretionary decisions? Their focus is going to be the beneficiary, but also themselves a little bit more than maybe a family member. So if it's a child or a sister of a child that has some discretionary powers, sometimes it's better to keep it in the family. Also reduces administrative costs sometimes, because usually family members don't look for fees. It's always a good idea to do a little bit of background before you go see an attorney so that you kind of know what it is that you're going to be talking about and have at least a little bit of understanding. With our clients, we usually send a letter. We ask them to bring certain things. We ask them to be prepared to discuss a family tree. We discuss health, age, and we also ask for a good list of their assets, complete. Life insurance, out of the country assets, in the country assets. So a little bit of preparation before you go see the attorney will make it more efficient for the client and for the attorney.